So you might be in a situation where your Instagram repost button is missing. So maybe you're on Instagram and you're kind of swiping through and you start to see that that repost button is no longer there. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. Number one, if that repost button is actually missing, you first want to go through and make sure that your Instagram application is updated. So go through and update your Instagram application, whether in the Apple App Store, the Google Play Store, or whatever you have. You want to go through and make sure that your particular app is updated, because if it's not, that's going to be kind of the main reason why you're running into this problem. Now, if you do that and that still doesn't seem to be fixing the problem, the next thing you're going to want to do is you might just want to go through and just see if that particular Instagram repost button isn't available for that post. Not every post will give you that repost option. So you do have to kind of enable it, I believe, or not every post is repostable. Private posts are not able to be reposted, and some other posts are not able to be reposted either. So keep that in mind. If you have a public profile, you should be able to go through and repost them. So if you're on a private account, keep in mind you will not be able to repost those posts. That's another big thing to keep in mind as well. Now, another thing is that a lot of these features are location-based. So if you're not currently in an area where that feature is supported, you might have to wait a little bit of time until that repost button appears. So again, if you're in a different area, sometimes it might just take a little bit of time for that area to get that feature. So give it a little bit of time. Try refreshing Instagram. You can try deleting Instagram, reinstalling it. But those are kind of the main ways to go and fix that type of problem. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.